Don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on the rusty orange look that I'm wearing right now. Don't forget to hit that like button and let's get into it. So I already have my brows done. If you want to see how I did them, you can click the card that's appearing right now. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. Just gonna set that concealer in place with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Creme Brulee. I'm gonna take the shade Royal Jewels from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to buff You're a Gem into my crease. Now on a more precise blending brush, I am taking the shade Carnelian and buffing that just a little bit tighter in my crease and on my outer corner. And I pack it on my outer corner a little bit with my finger. And then blend out the edges with the shade You're a Gem again. Now using my finger, I'm going to pack the shade Sunstone all over my lid. Then I'm just using a flat brush to clean up the edges a little bit. Now with the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil in shade I-32 or Iridescent Lagoon Green, I'm gonna line my eyes and give myself a little wing. Now I'm wetting my brush and dipping into the shade Turquoise, and I'm just gonna pack that all over where I put the liner. For primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, really focusing on pressing that into my pores. Now I'm putting on a layer of the First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint. Now I'm concealing my under eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and then covering up any blemishes as well. I'm going to set that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. And then setting the rest of my face with it as well. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and Dulce de Leche to add a little bit more definition into my face. Warming up the complexion a little bit with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, just hitting the perimeter of my face and going across my nose a little bit, making sure I really work it into the hairline. Popping a little bit of the Tarte blush in Party on my cheeks and across my nose. Highlighting with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. Just popping that on the high points of my face, focusing mostly on my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Gonna line my lips with the MAC Ginger Root Cream Stick Pearl Liner. I'm gonna put on some of the Tristique Mini Matte Lip Crayon in Florence Fig. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream in C104. And then just finishing off the lips with the Matte Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. Redefining my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil, and my smaller freckles with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Gonna highlight my brow bone with the shade My Precious. I'm running Carnelian on my lower lash line. And then just blending that shade out with Yora Gem. The beast woke up. I'm taking Sunstone on the inner half of my lower lash line. I'm popping Pearl on my inner corner. And then I'm taking Diamond on my inner corner. And a little bit on the inner half of my lid. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on a little bit of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. So I'm just gonna pop on some lashes real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. I used the Kiss lashes in Ritzy and the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, but that's the finished look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.